Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Let's start with boxing, as Cabo welterweight gold medalist Joshua Frazer's hopes of attending this summer's Olympic Games in Japan now rests with the executives of the Jamaica Boxing Board of Control following his disqualification in the final of the National Boxing Championships at the Stanley Couch Gym.
The 25-year-old Joshua Frazer is one of the country's best hopes of qualifying for the 2020 Olympic Games, based on his achievement over the last 2 years, where he won medals fighting against some of the best amateur boxers in North America, Central America, and the Caribbean. The bout was just 45 seconds into the first round when the unorthodox left hand of Edwards caught Frazer below the belt. Referee Kevin Stoppard gave the boxer a 10-count recovery period, and from there the fight turned into a wrestling match, with the referee intervening on several occasions. But midway the second round, Frazer received the shock of his life when he was disqualified for misconduct. DeWitt Frazer, national head coach and father of Joshua, was surprised with the action of the referee.
I'm very disappointed. You know, this is an Olympic year. The referee has to realize high emotion. The guys are fighting. He's a very aggressive fighter, first of all. And he felt numerous times the guy hit him low. And, you know, fighters have a way of protecting themselves. So his way is to be aggressive. I'm very disappointed the referee didn't. The referee could have had better choices. He could have took points away. There's many choices he could have had. And an Olympic year, and when the guys have worked so hard, I'm very disappointed at that outcome.
Stephen Bomber Jones, president of the boxing board, was also shocked by the decision.
It is a rough decision. I would have wanted to see, cautioned or not, I'd have wanted to see the fight continue and to be completed. That's me personally. But the ref is the closest person to the boxers. He's hearing what's being said. He's hearing what's not being listened to. So I have to respect that decision. But I mean, in terms of a career for any boxer, you know, you want to leave it in the ring. You want the boxers to be the ones that decide a fight in any level, you know, and this is what would be disappointing in my opinion.
Kingsley Goodison, chairman of the Development of Amateur Boxing and former national representative Richard Shrimpy Clark, believes the decision leaves a bitter taste.
The wonderful production that was being built up with the TVJ, and you know, it was such a wonderful thing. And to see what took place here now is really heart-rending. If you notice, almost three-quarters of the spectators has gone.
I'm disappointed in what I'm seeing so far, but it should have been angled properly, better, much better than this.
Meanwhile, Leroy Brown, General Secretary of the board, says the disqualification of Frazer does not affect his chances of going to the 3 Olympic box-offs, as the board will be selecting the boxer with the best chance. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.